So here's a big filter dryer off of a, this one was off of a big Intellipak unit. So this one was completely plugged. When we turned the unit on the outlet here for the rest of the liquid line before the TXV, I mean, this thing would immediately ice up, giving us a pretty obvious indication of how it was plugged. But I wanted to take a look inside. And so this is the inlet screen. All the inlet filters, the desiccant beads. It's like a bunch of caviar. But all very, very contaminated, black. Quite a mess. A lot of oil left over. Had a nice little flame out when we took this out. But this is the outlet screen. And it's almost like it's turned into a hard pressed plastic. So this is where the major restriction ended up being. You can tell that is on there. One of these pads here got absolutely smashed down. So I guess this is where it finally gave up the flow. But all in all, this one was in pretty bad shape. We replaced the dryer, but after seeing this, after cutting it open, probably go change the oil on the compressors too. I don't remember if these had oil ports, those compressors had oil ports on them or not, but yeah, that's a mess. Actually, this is the inlet screen. I forgot. This is like the midpoint where it had this, and then the beads with the spring pressing down on top of it. Stack of these filters inside the screen like that. This was on top like that. Nasty oily mess.